Let's create this off-road wheel using the polygon modeling tools in Uniform. Start with Polymesh Cube, then go to Add, Mesh, Quad Sphere. Change it into Polymesh. Tap on the Quad Sphere and replace the Quad Sphere mesh with cylinder. Close it, then drag your pencil on the cube to add the cylinder. You can delete the cube now. To enable the wireframe while using the deformer tools, open Override, add Module, and search for Topology Wire Viewport Overlay. Or open one of the graph tools and drag the module into the Override panel. Now the wireframe will stay enabled even when you are using the deformer tools. We have a small issue here. The origin point of the cylinder is located on the side of the cylinder, which can cause some issues if we try to use the symmetry tool. To fix it, select Scene, Object Origin, and tap on the cylinder. Now select Object, Symmetry, and select one of the side points. Now select Extrude. In Uniform, if you want to extrude, first you have to draw a region. You can do so by holding M2 and drag your pencil on the faces. Now let go of the M2 button and drag your pencil to extrude. Now select Graph, Loop, and drag the edge loop, then disable the symmetry. Select Loop again, hold M2, and tap on the middle of the object to insert a new edge loop. Now select Deformer, Transform, Transform. Hold M2 and select the middle edge loop and rotate it a little bit. Now select Extrude, hold M2 and drag on empty space to clear the region. While still holding M2, select the middle trace, then hold M1 and drag your pencil to insert. Release M1 and drag to extrude, but this time push to the inside. Hold M1 and insert again. Select the object button from the bottom left corner and increase the Z radial symmetry to 8. That's because the default cylinder has 16 faces. Now draw region on one of the front faces and extrude to the inside. Draw another region on the two of the side faces, then extrude. Then disable the symmetry. Now insert in the middle and extrude to the inside. Insert again and extrude to the outside. Draw another region on the back side. Insert, then extrude to the inside. And with that, we finish the wheel.